In this video, we will show the best can crushers available to buy. At number 5. Branded SLB Works Tin Can Crusher. Its high-leverage design makes recycling easy. It has an easy grip handle for ultimate control when crushing. Maximize space in your recycle bins. At number 4. Prepworks by Progressive Can Crusher. It is mountable, heavy-gauge steel with foam rubber comfort handle. Can Crusher make easy work of your recycling. At number 3. Grip Can Crusher All Steel. It is heavy-duty hand-operated grip can crusher. Features durable all-steel construction. Easily compacts 12 or 16 Oz. At number 2. Can Crusher crushes soda cans and beer cans. It makes recycling fast and easy. Crushes your aluminum soda and beer can flat, making them easy to recycle. Works for both 12 ounces and 16-ounce cans. At number 1. Can Ram Aluminum Can Crusher. Save time and space with this automatic feed can crusher. It holds 10 aluminum cans, feeds them automatically into chamber and ejects each after crushing.